Today, we're diving into the world of Android customization with a look at the Aline Linear Icon Packs. Let's discover which style resonates with you and enhances your Android experience. Aline Bold Linear Icon Pack. This pack features bold, heavy-lined icons that stand out with their distinctive design. Ideal for users who prefer a more pronounced look, the Aline Bold Linear Icon Pack emphasizes visibility and clarity, making icons easily recognizable. The vibrant colors and thick lines create an engaging visual experience, suitable for those who want a playful yet sophisticated home screen. Aline White Linear Icon Pack. The Aline White Linear Icon Pack embraces a minimalistic approach, focusing on clean, white outlines for its icons. This collection is perfect for users who favor a serene and elegant aesthetic, blending seamlessly with various wallpaper styles and color schemes. The simplicity of the white icons promotes a fresh and uncluttered look, setting a tranquil mood on any Android device. Aline Black Linear Icon Pack. In contrast, the Aline Black Linear Icon Pack offers deep, dark icons characterized by thin outlines. This pack is tailored for users who prefer a sleek and modern appearance, providing a dramatic and bold contrast against lighter backgrounds. The black icons bring an air of sophistication and professionalism, making them suitable for users looking to create a refined and stylish interface. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of the Aline Linear Icon Packs inspired you to elevate your Android device's look. Happy customizing!